Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access AT&T MyResults sales dashboard login step by step clearly. First, make sure you have an active AT&T employee or authorized partner account with dashboard access. Confirm that your manager or system administrator has assigned you the correct MyResults or sales dashboard permissions. Prepare your AT&T user ID and password, and if you use multi-factor authentication, keep your phone or token ready. Use a trusted device, preferably your work computer, and connect to a stable internet network. Open a modern browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Clear your browser cache if you previously had login issues or repeated sign-in loops. In the address bar, type the official AT&T MyResults or sales dashboard portal URL provided by your employer. Press Enter and wait for the sign-in page to fully load. Check that the page shows a secure connection, such as a lock icon and an HTTPS address. Click the User ID field and carefully enter your AT&T user ID. Click the Password field and enter your password exactly as created, respecting uppercase and lowercase letters. If there is an option to stay signed in, avoid using it on shared or public computers. Click the Sign In button to continue. If you are prompted for multi-factor authentication, choose your method such as SMS, app approval, or security key. Enter the verification code you receive and submit it before it expires. If your organization requires VPN access, connect to the company VPN first and then refresh the login page. After signing in, wait while the dashboard redirects you to the MyResults home screen. If you see a profile selection page, choose the correct sales role, market, or channel assigned to you. Locate the main navigation menu and open the Sales Dashboard or MyResults reporting section. Set the correct date range, such as today, week to date, month to date, or a custom period. Select your location, store, team, or territory filters to match the results you need. Click Apply or Update to load the dashboard metrics and charts. Use the tabs or widgets to view KPIs like sales volume, activations, upgrades, and performance ranking. If a report does not load, refresh the page once and allow any required site permissions for pop-ups or cookies. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link and follow the reset steps using your corporate recovery method. If you get an access denied message, contact your supervisor to confirm your entitlement and provisioning status. For repeated login errors, try an incognito or private window to rule out stored session conflicts. When you finish, log out from the account menu to protect your dashboard and personal data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.